The Infinix Note 50 Pro brings a new level of polish to the Note series. It's built with an ultra-resilient armor alloy metal frame, giving it a stronger and more durable body while keeping a comfortable hand feel at 198 grams. It comes in titanium grey, enchanted purple, racing edition, and shadow black, each with a stylish and modern finish. At the front, the phone uses a 6.78-inch AMOLED display that supports 60Hz, 120Hz, and up to 144Hz refresh rates. It's fluid, vibrant, and gives a better visual experience than the Note 40 Pro. The in-display fingerprint sensor remains fast and reliable. Under the hood, the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor powers everything. It's an upgrade from the Helio G99 Ultimate used in the Note 40 Pro, offering smoother performance and battery energy efficiency. You get two storage options here: 256GB of storage paired with 8GB of RAM or 12GB of RAM, both expandable through visual RAM up to 24GB. If you enjoy a review like this, make sure to like and subscribe. It's the best way to stay tuned for upcoming phone review and comparison. For the camera, Infinix went for a smarter balance this time. The rear camera setup includes a 50MP main lens and 8MP ultra-wide camera. The images appear more natural, even if the megapixel count is lower than the 108 lens on the Note 40 Pro. The 32MP front camera delivers clear selfie with a wide view, perfect for group shots of vlogs. Battery life is one of the strongest parts of this phone. You get a 5200 mAh battery that supports 90W fast charging and 30W wireless MagSafe, a nice leap from the 70W wired and the 20W wireless charging in the previous model. It also supports 10W reverse charging, which allows the phone to power smaller gadgets when needed. With an IP64 water and dust resistant rating, the Note 50 Pro feels ready for daily use without worry. In summary, the Infinix Note 50 Pro delivers smoother display, faster charging, and a stronger body design. It's a phone that focuses on real improvement that affect everyday use, not just high numbers. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.